Hey, if you've got a PW50 and you need to get your rear tire changed, we're going to show you how to remove it from the bike. It's a little bit different process from other motorcycles, and it's actually pretty simple to do. So let's go ahead and jump into it. To do this job, we need some pliers, 10mm combo wrench, and we're going to be using 8, 10, 12, and 19mm sockets. First, we've got 2 bolts holding the seat on. We'll remove all of that. After that, we've got our silencer. So we've got the hose clamp and a bolt right here. For the axle nut, we have a 19mm socket. I'm going to hold the brake while I loosen that up. And then 12mm socket, we're going to remove the lower shock mounting bolt. And then to remove the bracket, we've got 2 nuts we need to remove. After that, we're going to remove the exhaust pipe. So we have 1 bolt in the back and then 2 up front. And then we can remove the bracket and the wheel. Now, if the wheel is kind of hung up, you might have to loosen up the rear brake adjuster, but it should pull right off. So once you get your tire changed out or whatever you have to do, when you go back together, you want to make sure you have a little bit of grease on these splines. And then the other thing you want to pay attention to is on this bracket, you want to make sure the collars are in place on both sides. And as long as you're good there, you can go back together the same way we took everything apart. Just keep in mind that when you torque this axle nut down, it's going to be 43 foot-pounds. That's it for the rear wheel on your Yamaha PW50. If you need a new tire or tube or anything for your PW, click the link in the description below. And if you want to see a separate how-to video on changing a mini bike tire, then we also have a separate video on that. So check it out. And as always, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.